And rolling.
Gila, sekarang nih panas banget. Gue bakal naik yang namanya Hollywood Hills, di mana tulisan Hollywood yang gede ada di atas situ. Jadi gue bakal naik, gue bakal lihat Hollywood secara lebih dekat. Ada apa di situ? Sebenarnya nggak banyak sih, cuman ada tulisan Hollywood sama ada pemandangan yang bagus banget. Kita bisa ngeliat Los Angeles dari pemandangan yang bagus banget. Tapi ya kita bakal jalan naik terus, kita bakal explore ada apa sih, orang ngapain kesini. Mungkin kalau sempat kita bakal interview orang, coba, tapi ya tergantung kita ketemunya siapa. Jadi ya untuk tahu nextnya gimana, ayo ikut gue naik. Jangan kita lihat tuh Hollywood Hills. Oke. Tarik dia. Mana Hollywood Hills? Belakang sana. Up, we're in the Hollywood Hills right here. I just met this really cool guy. I noticed his rapping, making music video. Can you tell us more about what you're doing here?
Yeah, so I'm working on my latest music video. It's called We Don't Give Up. It's to help my people work. You know, we've been held, you know, by these leaders that's not really leaders, man. You know, so somebody got to lead by example, and that's pretty much what I'm doing this video for. So it's gonna be my biggest #1 hit. Any more questions, man? I'm gonna let him talk, and I learned to be quiet sometimes. You know, that's another thing about me. I had to learn to just shut up sometimes, listen to the next man, and that's how you grow. So
nice. I had a lot of fun listening to you, even though it's pretty short. But
yeah.
Can you tell us about like what you do in your daily life and like what's your goal?
Well, I'm from Ohio, by the way. I'm from Toledo, Ohio. I went to college in Kentucky. I'm just out here to pursue my dreams. I do a little bit of acting too.
Nice.
And you know, I'm self-made. As you guys see, I got my tripod. Y'all welcome to record my backpack and stuff. I just got off work, you know, so that's why my clothes dusty. I fit the criteria of my music video. So yeah, my YouTube page has over 400,000 views, self-made. A lot of artists, they try to get their music videos on different people channels and all, but I learned to be self-made because that's the best way to go. You know, what happens if them users take their YouTube videos down, then that can make them lose hope, you know, so
that's a lot, 400,000 views. Like, how many subscribers do you have here?
Oh, subscribers, over 7,000 subscribers on YouTube.
Nice. Like, what's the name of your YouTube channel?
Just look up King Reynolds. I got about 3 or 4 different YouTube channels.
King Reynolds.
So, like, one of my YouTube channels, it shows me, like, going about my day-to-day life. One of my YouTube channels, I try to put, like, mostly music and stuff. So, I try to do, like, a little vlog. You welcome to put your friends in if you want to, you know.
Yeah.
They don't want to be in the camera. So, you know, right now I'm doing part-time work, and so I'm trying to stress the importance of influence and work. So that's where this falls in at. You know, it's a big deal to the community to try to teach the youth that you have to go to work and not make up some lies and act like I'm using a gun to get money, because that's not real. You know, like, so I always keep my mind open to what's real. You know, I got to meet Capadonna, a rapper from the Wu-Tang Clan, and I got to meet Nipsey Hussle out here. And,
tell us a bit why you picked the Hollywood sign out here.
Yeah, I've been living in Hollywood, Los Angeles, off and on, going back and forth from Seattle, the whole West Coast. Remember, I'm from Ohio, but this is my last day in Los Angeles. So I said I have to get something closer to the Hollywood sign. I've been near the Hollywood sign, like down on the street levels, like near Gower Street. Yeah. But this is my first day actually coming really close. I knew it would be quite a hike to get up here, so you know, it's kind of like, you know, speeding up real quick. So. But yeah, I just wanted to get a closer, better view to make my music video look more professional. Also, you guys just brought up reminded me of something. I got some new video equipment with some better UFO effects, some better effects, period. But it's gonna be nice, man, what I put into this video. Like, the quality is gonna be really nice. You know, I'm trying to get different angles for my fans and people that support me with music too.
So what's the Hollywood dream for you? What does it mean for you?
I'm living my dream right now. You know, I'm making my dream happen as we speak right now. It's just all in the mind, really. Life is all about the mind, and it's not where we come from, it's where you're going. You know, you have to know where you're going, know what you want out of life. You can make anything happen. I know I'm a rapper and an actor and all, but I have feelings too, and I want to be a regular human being and go to work and stuff. You know, like I said, I've been to college, graduated. This is my dream right here. I'm making it happen as we speak. It's just a matter of time when these views pop up and everybody else start following and seeing. So sometimes you have to do it first to get people to believe what you're doing, you know. So I always use the old phrase in my latest album. I have a song called "I Am the Rap Game." I used a quote that I came up with. I said, "Fake it till you make it," you know. Yeah. So you pretty much gotta fake it till you make it sometimes, and I can do it, y'all can do it. You know, I've been through quite financial struggles before, so, but I'm past that now, and God is moving me on to bigger and better things. So.
All right, that's nice. I'll make sure I'll put all your Instagram links, all the YouTube links you have down in my description, and I'll like make sure as much as I can that people that like watch my video can watch your video.
It's an honor, man. It's an honor for me to be on this guy's YouTube channel. You know, it's a privilege because, you know, like I said, I got a lot of opportunities, but every opportunity that come my way, I'm open for it. You know, I'm also in a few articles too. I know I'm stuttering a little bit, so you guys can chop that part up if y'all want to out the video. So, when you guys go for it, you know, just do it. Don't whatever comes through your life, don't become bitter and don't blame nobody else but yourself. That's my biggest advice, you know, to all future dreamers. You know, don't become bitter. Take your time, you'll make it. Just keep believing in yourself, you know, and eventually you will figure it out. So that's pretty much what it is, man. Like I said, we right in front of the Hollywood sign, right here, and he get to be a part of the witness. You guys are all part of the witness of this amazing video that's about to go down. So everything happens for a reason. Thank you, man. Yeah, King Reynolds. King Reynolds is the name.
Reynolds.
And what's your name, my man? Gabriel Baki. Okay.
Yeah.
That's another thing for the youth to know, is that social media is the future. Social media came out like when I was in my freshman year in college. It wasn't popping when I was in high school, so it's tougher for an older artist to come out now. But I'm only 26, I still got time, but I figured it out now. These other new young rappers, I'm gonna let them go ahead, destroy the money, destroy the influence, you know, that's on y'all. But for me, I'm gonna do everything the right way. As you guys see, I'm going to work, I'm working for it. I don't sell drugs, I don't smoke, you know, I don't drink, I don't carry guns.
Nice.
And amen to everybody.
Amen.
So,
Thanks a lot, man.
yeah, thank you, man.
3, 2, 1.
Ya, jadi sekian perjalanan gue ke Hollywood Sign. Walaupun gue cuman kesini ngeliat Hollywood Sign-nya doang, tapi ini menandakan sesuatu bahwa di sini tuh banyak orang yang mengejar cita-cita buat masuk perfilman Hollywood. Gue sendiri gue nggak tahu gue bakal ngejar itu atau enggak, tapi gue baru ketemu si King Reynolds. Ntar gue bakal taruh Instagram sama YouTube-nya di bawah. Dia mengejar mimpinya di Hollywood dan dia udah banyak progres. Dan dia kayak udah tahu banget arahnya kemana. Jadi ya orang-orang kayak gitu gue berharap bisa ke depannya maju dan bisa jadi mengejar cita-citanya gitu dalam bidang apapun, dalam bidang media Hollywood ini atau bahkan bidang lainnya. Jadi sekian, terima kasih, tolong like, comment, dan subscribe, bye.